WT0392 Mary Ann Bagabag, 28 years old, single, college graduate, 2 years housemaid in the Philippines. Tell me something about yourself, Mary Ann Bagabag.
Hi there, I'm Mary Ann Bagabag, born on September 6, 1983, college graduate. I am the second children of the family. I have one sister and one brother, and I have one daughter.
So, in your 2 years housemaid in the Philippines, what was your duties and responsibilities?
In my experience here in Manila, I work in Makati as a housemaid. So my duties and my responsibilities is to wake up early to prepare the foods of my employer, and then also to clean the house. After cleaning the house, wash the clothes, and then to prepare again the meal.
So, are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, because I love babies.
How about elderly?
Yes, I can if they have.
So, are you willing to take care of both?
Yes, ma'am, but my priority is to in the house. I love working in the house.
Okay. Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what are the steps of bottle feeding?
Before I'm going to give the bottle, first I will wash first my hands, and then wash the bottles clean, and then I have to sterilize the bottles, and then keep it dry.
Okay. If the baby still keep crying and has a fever, what will you do?
First, I will get temperature if he has the temperature, and ask permission to my employer if I will go to the hospital to be checked up.
So, do you know how to sing a lullaby song?
Yes, ma'am.
So, please sing one song.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
So, do you have any other talent?
Yes, ma'am.
What are those talents?
I love cooking, and also I love cleaning.
So, if you feel homesick, what will you do?
For me, if I can feel homesick, I can fight the homesick by concentrating my work.
So, if one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract and go home?
No, ma'am.
What will you do?
If it is not necessary, I will not go home, or I will not break my contract. I will ask permission to my employer if she can allow me to call my family, and then I will send money on.
So, what can you teach to the children?
For me, I will teach the children for a good moral, especially how to respect the elder.
So, how long can you work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to stay.
So, do you have any message to your soon-to-be employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. I'm Mary Ann Bagabag, born on September 6, 1983, college graduate. Don't worry if I will be the one to be your maid in your house. I promise I'm honest person, trustworthy, and you can trust in, especially in working inside the house.
Okay, thank you, Mary Ann Bagabag. And good luck to you.